Hello everybody, how are you? I am Nored and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classdata.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is a customer has looked at several watches and seems to be like one best. She tries it on, sets it to the correct times and ask if the band can be changed to another styles. You show her the options she likes on in particulars. What is the best to say? Close the sales option. Do you want to look at a new few more styles? Option B, will that the cash or credit card? Option C, shall I go ahead and replace that the brands for you? Do you want to keep both styles of our different looks? Option D, well, we having a sales on watches sometimes next month. The correct answer of the question is option C, shall I go ahead and replace the brand for you? Do you want to keep both styles for the different looks? So that's the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classdata.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.